Hi everybody, it's Tina and I'm here with hashtag Holiday Coloring 2024, hosted by Sabrina underscore crafty journey. I screwed that up. Sabrina's underscore crafty underscore journey. Jesus. Blah, blah, blah. I got that right now. So, of course I have one that I did last year. And it's a little girl in the background, and I just colored alcohol markers. I'm loving how I did these guys' hair. I just thinking I did a really good job. And I love the brown eyes on her, and just the subtle of her little pinky lips, and jack-o'-lanterns, of course. So that's last year's. And then this year, I did a bat. And I didn't make them pure black. I did them kind of the outline in black, and then some grays to make them so you can see them. And then you have the moon in the background, some leaves, and a jack-o'-lantern, and some pumpkins. And those are the two I have for this week. And I believe, yes, it is. Happy Halloween, everybody! Be safe out there if you're taking your kids trick-or-treating. I will be giving out candy tonight. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.